Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use Google Sheets on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone, and to use Google Sheets on our mobile phone, we need to download Google Sheets application because we cannot access the Google Sheets website from our phone. So we need to install this application. You can go to your Play Store or Apple Store to get this application. And once you have installed this application, you can open it and then you can start to create new document on the Google Sheets. I'm going to click on this plus icon to create new document or new spreadsheet. Okay, we can select new spreadsheet and then I'm going to show you how we can use it. Wait, I'm going to view it in light theme. Okay, and here in the Google Sheets or the spreadsheet, we can input our data. For example, I'm going to make data table like this with 3 columns and, for example, 5 rows. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to add border. Okay, and now the table has been created, guys, and we can input our data to this table. I'm going to add, for example, number, oops, like this, and then name and score. Okay, and we can customize the size of the table like this. Oops, sorry. Alright, and you can start to input data. You will be able to autofill as well. I'm going to show you how we can autofill. I'm going to autofill number. Okay, we can tap and hold on the column and then simply click on autofill. Okay, and input another data like this. Okay, and you can add color to your table. I'm going to add fill color. I'm going to choose this green color. Okay, and you will be able to insert image or chart to your Google Sheets if you want. Just click on this plus icon to insert something to your Google Sheets. Okay, and if you want to customize the style, you can click on this A icon, and here you'll be able to change the format. You can change font and change the text size, and you will be able to apply conditional formatting as well. Okay, and you can explore the tools by yourself. If you want to export it, you can click on share and export, and you will be able to save the document to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Google Sheets in mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.